All right, this is a big day. Been looking forward to this project we're doing with Al Lumna from Lumna Acres, his wife Gina and daughter Olivia. Been really looking forward to this. I wanted to talk about, we're doing just a slab today. Al has actually done all the work. He's done all the forms, done the rebar, put down the foam. So can you tell me anything about that?
So the foam is called Crete Heat is the brand of it, and to me it looks like a base for building Legos on.
Right.
And it has, we call them, they look like little flowers, and that holds the pecs, so you don't have to tie the pecs down or have staples to hold it down. And also it's shiplapped, so it just kind of sets over it. I can show you a piece later when we're done pouring. I have an extra piece, but it sits over each other, and it has a plastic membrane, so you don't have to put plastic down. It's its own vapor barrier at the same time. And when we priced it out, it was the same price as the regular 2-inch poly foam.
Right. We've done I think 2 or 3 of those with just a 2-inch foam. They didn't want to go with Radiant
Yep.
for their particular application, but I think this is a great thing to do that. So that's 1/2-inch PEX.
Half-inch
It's not
yeah.
3/4.
It's not 3/4. Nope. The Crete Heat. That's what the Crete Heat is for 1/2 inch.
Oh, okay.
I don't think the 3/4 would fit in there because the 1/2 inch was you had to push it in.
Yeah. How long are your loops?
No more than 300 feet.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
Yep.
And it runs over to a manifold way over on the other side there. That's kind of a bathroom utility
Yep.
room. There'll be a toilet, shower, and so on. On the front, there'll be an overhead door. I'm not sure where. We'll figure that out. He'll show me. And then after we've got kind of a diagram of where all the windows and so on are going. So we'll build those walls at the shop, and then we'll bring them over and have a building day. Al's going to help. I tried to hire him. He kind of likes doing what he's doing. But anyway, so hang on. Going to have a good time. So they're just churning the concrete a little bit. We're going to pour the first part over near the bathroom so we can get that part done. The sun comes out occasionally. It's probably 70 degrees, so we want to be able to work that as soon as we can. We couldn't get concrete till it's 1 o'clock now in the afternoon, so it may be a late, not too late, maybe 7 or 8 o'clock when we're done, depending on how much sunshine we get, whatnot. So we got a good driver. That's a nice thing. Well, they're all pretty good drivers. I shouldn't say that. The front discharge is really nice because they can place it exactly where you want it. So here we go, as Chad would say. There's a pipe right there we just have to miss, and there's a clean out. So we have to stay to that side of it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
You want to start on the other end then?
We're going to start on this side.
Right here.
Yeah. This is my favorite weapon of choice.
Is it?
It looks big, but it pulls really nicely. Yep. Kenny just broke his rake. I got to back up. This looks really professional, Al. You sure you didn't hire it out? Yeah. I guess I got to watch yours because I can't grow vegetables at all. You may have to tamp that in, Chad. I can't really get in that close. So we'll pour it all the way to the front.
How far out do you want to go?
That's good, and then we'll do another third. Al, do you have a measurement to your shower?
Right where it is, yeah.
So, about 30 inches, 32 inches.
Width?
to the outside. I tell you, these fronts are so nice. It's like, what do we should have had coffee. We're going right to the. We'll go right to the top of it. Yeah.
And then right up to the top of this too. So this right here is the height of the floor.
I think I need a little more back here, but. Can we get more over near the manifold there at some point? You can't do that? You say you can't do that?
I'll catch it. I said I'll catch it on my swing back.
All right. Huh? Yeah, he's going to come back and get that. Yep. Now that way. Well, that's an inch below.
It's not quite, no, that's not quite an inch right
Okay. Looking good. How's it look, Chad? Will the other truck be able to find the turn?
I don't know, I tried calling him on the radio. I'll try him again
I think we're good here. Oh, maybe another shot? We'll do the middle. Start all the way to the back. I think it tapers off over there. We'll have to bring that up some. Ooh, that's a little thick. Does that look higher in the middle? You're not out, are you? Concreter's nightmare is, did you order enough concrete? So essentially where you're standing with your left foot, Al, we want to be able to finish it to there all the way across. That means we're all right.
Right, if we can get this half done.
What's that?
If we can get this half done with this load.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's actually another extra yard on the other load.
Yep.
I'm not even needed here.
Are we low in the center? Right there?
Yep. How's it look, Chad? What's that? Of the concrete?
Oh yeah.
You want to pull? Should we pull that back in then?
Okay, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Who's the better driver, Harrison or Carroll?
Okay. So this was pretty good.
Okay.
Harrison, they have one truck that has an extra chute.
Yep.
We got we poured a 30-footer deep, and he was almost like over there.
Yeah.
No.
The new trucks they're getting now, they don't have the fold-out chutes. They just got the little stubby one that flips down. They actually reach 2 feet further because they've done an extra chute.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
That was the only truck. The others were shorter.
Yeah.
Well, they were the same. I shouldn't say shorter. I mean, this is pretty decent.
Yeah.
They were like this.
Yeah. You get something like that, I try to give it a good blast back in there, not to overload you guys, but to try to give you a little athletic to do.
Yeah.
Going, you know.
It made our work a lot easier.
Well,
I already told my camera, you're good. I already told him that.
oh, okay.
So I can't take it back.
Should have come out here. I remember when we used to have everybody complains now. Oh, we need a front on that job. We need a front on that job. Front's the only thing that'll do it. 20 years ago, we were doing everything with the rear, and we got it done with those. You know?
Yeah.
Now nobody wants them on the job anymore.
Right. It is it's an extra person with a rear, though.
Yeah, absolutely.
And,
You've got to doing this. You've got to have a guy on the chute.
yeah.
And you've got to be, you know, watching the driver, and the driver's got to be watching you. And everything you did with those trucks, you had to do out of your mirrors. Everything.
Yeah.
And this
Yeah.
is so much easier.
Yeah. Would have been easier if you had another yard on there, but
Did he? Did you catch him in time?
yes. Yeah, he was going to turn him around
I
and get.
heard him on the radio saying, "Go back under the tank and throw another yard on."
Yeah.
Rick was coming on.
I think.
He was just turning on the Oregon Road, so I got him some directions. So he should know where he's going.
We actually,
This is halfway.
and then we had an extra footing in the
Yeah.
center.
Yeah.
So,
But he's got an extra yard on too, so if we move that over to here, I think we're all right.
All right, well, I'll get out of the way so the next truck can get in here.
Okay. Thank you.
Hey, I'll watch for the video on you.
Mine's going to be a month. Check Lumna Acres. He'll be on. I don't know when's yours coming out.
I watch you, Ken, but I haven't found you. I bounce around. I've got 3 or 4 guys that I follow
Yeah. Yeah.
to watch it. I've been watching a lot of your stuff.
Oh, I'm glad you do. Thanks. Yeah. Cool. Good. So this is the second truck. We added an extra yard onto that load because we were just a little bit, we just needed it anyway. This is the second driver. Let's see how good he is. I bet they're all good drivers, good operators. How are you today? Good. Oh, I think he'll be fine. Then he's all set when he goes over there. You need me over there, Chad? You need me over there? No? We were a little low right there, so we need a little extra. Probably that extra yard. And do we have a measurement to that drain? 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 8 by 12 or so, 13. Not sure if I'm not sure where he's headed. Ah, you wanted to surround that drain. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm really feeling like I'm lazy. If I had a coffee cup, they could just kind of spread it with a coffee cup. Way over near the form, there's a hump. Yep.
little low right here.
Yeah, I think so. You get that all right? Back in the old days when they had the rears, somebody had to run the chute, but I can't even do that. There's just room for 2 people out there. Looks like it might be a little too low here. A little bit right here. I can pull it. Yeah, just a little low right here. I think if we're short there, we do have extra around here that we can rob. Yep. Perfect. So Chad's running the power screed, getting that all smoothed up. I'm going to run the bow float around the floor drain. Oop. Where are you headed?
That backside.
Sure. Just to point out, both truck drivers were great. They put it exactly where we wanted it. And the first one, I have to say it, he was really good. They were both, don't tell him they were both equal, but he's a subscriber. So I had to say he was good.
I'm glad you ordered that extra yard. That was perfect. Yeah. So now when you start it, it'll lock itself in.
Yep.
Yep. First pull. First pull. Yeah, that's good. You're doing it. Still hasn't locked in yet.
All right, so this was the first pass to the power trowel going over the entire slab. Al's working on the little shower area. The base of the shower is actually going to be the concrete floor, so he's sloping it to that drain. That should be really nice. Just don't have to worry about a step in, you just walk in. There you go. Also, Al was kind enough to put a little talk about me being on his video, and I appreciate all of you folks that have subscribed from his channel. I also hope that my subscribers, if you haven't seen his channel, would check it out. His and Gina's and Olivia's. Hope you check out their channel. It's Lumnah Acres, L-U-M-N-A-H. I'll put a link down below here. Hopefully I can figure out how to do that. I've never done that before, so it should be there, and check it out. Well worth it. They do homesteading. This property, they have a long road into their property. It's been all cleared out. This summer they've been working on that. They've seeded it down, have grass growing. They're in the process of doing some pretty cool things. They've got their septic system in. What we're going to be helping Al and Gina with is doing a building that I've never done before, so this should be quite unique. They're going to have off-grid power that comes in. It's kind of out of view from where the slab is. It's over here. So you'll be able to check the progress on that. We will be there in another month or so, sometime in November, to actually start putting the building up. There'll be an apartment upstairs and a prep area downstairs for the produce that they grow, to help out with their chickens and sheep, goats. I don't think they're sheep. But they're very knowledgeable in what they do. It's been fun. I've gotten to know them. We bumped into each other at a gas station and found out, hey, we live in the same area. Let's do a collaboration. So we've been working on this for putting it together to actually do it since maybe last June, about 4 months ago, 5 months ago. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, hit the like button. That helps out the YouTube algorithm stuff. Leave a comment. I'll try to comment back to you. If I don't, I'll at least hit the like button. So thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Thank you.